Making necklace last minute before traveling to India. It's good. Hi, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
What's your name?
my name is Maggie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where are you from?
I'm from Iran.
Yeah. What are you doing here?
And now I make an updated list.
Yeah.
I'm working here as a volunteer, and we have 5 reception shifts per week.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, cool. So you are volunteering and traveling in Sri Lanka.
Yes, yes.
Ah, nice. Can you tell about yourself a bit more? What happened? You start to travel, and how long is you are traveling?
Yeah. I left the country, my hometown, 7 months ago, and I started from India, and then I came here, and now I'm supposed to be in Nepal, but I did not go because I like Sri Lanka very much. Whole time, in past 7 months, I was volunteering in lots of places. Most of the time, I was in hostels, and I had some experience in Quest Day, cafe, local house sometimes. So yeah. And after 3 or maybe 4 months, I start my own business. Now I'm making jewelry for making money.
Nice.
And yeah.
Like what you are wearing?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Like this.
Yeah.
And necklace and bracelets.
That's
yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
You learn in travel?
Yeah, I learned to travel.
Okay.
Actually, I lost a little. Somebody took my money. In the hostel somewhere here, doesn't matter where.
Yeah.
And after that, I was really close to run out of money. And I thought, okay, you should do something. And I talked with some of my friends, they're travelers also, and they told me you can make money easily in your travel with making this. And now it's my hobby, and I make my business at the same time.
So now you this way you can support your travel and keep going. Yeah.
Yeah. At the first, it was just enough for my expenses. It wasn't very much. I wasn't very confident. I just make some things, and I was shy to sell to people. But now I can say I can pay for my flight and for my visa. So yeah, it's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Very cool. How long you are planning to travel? Do you know? No, that's something you never know. Huh?
Yeah.
You just going with flu.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah.
Before I left the country, I was thought, okay, maybe 1 year, 2 years, but now I'm thinking, yeah, maybe more.
That's very good.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Maddie, I want to ask if you have any suggestion for people who wanna start to travel, but they scared, they don't think they can manage money and traveling. What do you wanna say to them?
It's a really easy answer. Don't think very much and just do it. It's I don't know if it makes sense for lots of people or no, but I can say I had a really serious job position in Iran, and it was my dream job, and it was really reasonable life. I mean, I had everything, but when I started this travel, I never thought I can make money with bracelets.
Yeah.
So don't think very much, just follow your heart. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. Can you tell us what was you doing back home before traveling?
Yeah. I was business developer manager in a big company. It was my dream job. I really enjoyed my job that time. But yeah, I could.
So what happened? What make you to quit your dream job?
I like traveling around. I want to see more.
Yeah.
And when you are from Iran, it's not easy to have a long vacation and come out and go you should pay a lot of money for any flight. So yeah, I thought maybe it's not a good idea to traveling like that. And I quit my job.
Ah, that's good.
Easy.
Yeah, easy. Okay, good luck
You.
for your all trip.
You too.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome.